Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves here again. So today I'm going to show you the types of food I put in my black soap to get my skin silky smooth. Not only is it going to get your skin silky smooth, but it's also going to brighten up your skin and give you that even tone. Let's just get started. So to start, I have my base soap, which is the black soap over here. The first thing I come in with is some honey. You do agree with me that honey is very great for the skin. It helps get rid of blemishes. It's got natural brightening properties too. And overall, it helps you get that younger looking skin. The next thing I like to put in is some sugar here. I'm using brown sugar, but feel free to use white sugar if that is what you have. The sugar helps in scrubbing my skin. It also contains glycolic acid, which is very good for anti-aging. Next, I come in with some milk powder here. I'm using goat's milk powder. You know the benefits of goat's milk. It helps brighten out the skin. It also gives you that younger, elastic skin. This helps even out your skin tone. The next ingredient is some coconut oil. Need I say more? It is so great for your skin, and as you know, black soap kind of dries out the skin, so this coconut oil is going to help prevent that extra dryness. My next ingredient is turmeric powder. I like to add this to my soap because it's got natural brightening properties and it's very great for the skin. It also helps to get rid of fine lines and age marks. And this is usually used by Asian women in their beauty routine. My next ingredient is fresh lemon juice. You know, lemon juice gets rid of bad odor. It also helps to brighten up your skin. It's packed with vitamin C, which will increase the production of collagen in your skin. So what I do next is to just mix everything up. So after mixing everything up, this is what we have here. I will just transfer it into a container. And basically this is how I use it. You can put it on your affected area, or you can use it as your daily wash. If you're treating acne and you want a silky skin, you have to leave it on your skin for about a minute or two and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And as you can see, it would not leave your skin dry. It gives you that instant freshness. After using this for about a week, you are going to see the improvement for yourself. You're going to get that natural glow, which you need for the summer. It will add more elasticity to your skin whilst it evens out your skin tone. If you've got dull skin, this is going to add some brightness to your skin. This is great for all skin types. So this is it, guys. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.